Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel and happen to stumble by, well, I'm your girl Bella, and I would totally love if you hit that subscribe button, click on the little bell, and let's be friends, because you're gonna miss out on a whole bunch of stuff if you don't. Hello. Happy Friday. Oh my goodness. Do you believe it? We made it. It's Friday. We made it. I actually put out 2 videos this week. I've been consistent, and it's all because of you. It's all because of you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. From the bottom of my heart, I know I've been struggling. I know I've been a hot mess. I've been a really big hot mess this last while. And I want to thank you all so much. I want to thank you all so much for the comments and the likes and everything. They just mean the world to me. Okay. All right. So let's get into this video. This video, okay, so I did a video. If you're new here, hi, I'm Bella. I did a video just the other day on Wednesday showing how I'm gonna update my little laundry area. It is not a room, it is like a walkthrough from the back door, which is right here. You walk through and you walk into the little powder room here, and I got a closet, and then you walk into like the living room area, and then right here is where you walk to my kitchen. Okay, so it's like a little walkthrough. So it needed sprucing up. Had these like really old, super outdated cabinets that were in good condition. They were in all right condition. These are very plain, generic, washer and dryer, nothing fancy to them, but they do work. And they work perfectly well. I'm telling you right now, they work perfectly well. Nothing wrong with them. They work. They wash the clothes wonderfully. And I got clothes hacks for you. So you'll have to come back and see that. And we'll get to that in a minute. Now, I didn't do much. I painted and I put these decals up. That's it. And I cleaned it. I cleaned off all the clutter and I cleaned it up. Why did I do this video? Well, there's a couple reasons. I did this video mainly because I wanted to spruce up an area with no money spent. Like, I mean, no money spent. This is not my home. I didn't want to spend any money, but I wanted something where it's cheerful and I feel good about myself, and it's clean and it's pretty and it's cute. Because you might be like me. You might be in a place in your life like me right now, and you're just down in the dumps. Things are not going the way you would hope. You know, other things, like my mom's very ill. I'm in a location that I'm not comfortable. Yeah, all kinds of things are just, just things are happening. And you know what? We all need that motivation. And there's a lot of people out there, and I'm not like making light of this, or I'm not, in any way, don't take this in any way, shape, or form. But there's a lot of people, a lot struggling to make ends meet today. The economy is bananas. I don't even want to talk about it. Food prices are through the roof. That's insanity. And when we watch other YouTubers, and they're in these elaborate homes. I was in one of those elaborate homes and purchasing all the time. And trust me, I'm a shopaholic. I want to go back shopping, but I'm not buying anything because I'm not in my house. So I'm not going to buy anything that fits in here, and then you know the drill. But there's a lot of people struggling. You know what this cost? Nothing. Almost nothing. 1, 2, 3, 4. $5 on decals and $9 on paint. The paintbrush I had, I'm sure y'all have a paintbrush somewhere, even a crappy one. You got one. Trust me. buy pre-mixed paint from Walmart or Home Depot, because they have it too. Get yourself some decals. Clean up your space. Get motivated. Make it super cute. That's it. That's it. Whatever space you have, use your imagination and do something that you love for yourself. I'm going to take you off the tripod and show you. The cabinets surprisingly turned out really cute. I really like them. Okay, let me take you off the tripod. Okay, let's see. The lighting in here is not the best. So let's see. Okay, so I painted the cabinets. You can see them there. I painted this pale gray. That's the color I found. That's the color I painted. And then I cleaned all that up and I put the decal. And I think this looks adorable. I really do. It's super girly. I love the peonies and the pink, and it says laundry room. And then these decals, y'all see them at Dollar Tree. They're for front loaders. Well, I put them on generic washing machines. Why not? That's it, y'all. That's all I did. And, wait, no. I patched the holes. This one's still drying, so that's why I haven't finished painting. We patched the hole there. There was a big giant hole because we had water damage. And then we patched all that up, and I still gotta paint this. And I'm gonna paint out these tiles. You'll see that in the upcoming video. And that's a ironing board over there. Well, yeah, because I was just finishing up doing laundry. So that's all I did. That was my, my big, my big laundry room. Okay, so that was it. That's it. You see what I'm saying? You can take anything, like anything, any space, your closet, your little work area. You should see where I work. I have this little tiny desk underneath the stairs right now, and I'm making do of it, and I love it, and I'm making the best of it. I do my journaling in there, and I do my planning in there, and I'm just making the best of it. And this is why I really wanted to do this video, because I want you to make the best out of it. Make the best out of it. Find something, use your creativity, and go out there this weekend and be creative and have fun. Have fun. Make it super girly. Make it ridiculous. I mean, from the smallest thing, y'all. Take your perfume bottles, rearrange them, add a little flower within your perfume, a little like faux floral design within your perfume. Put it on a box. Like get an Amazon box that you got in the mail, wrap it up in pretty wrapping paper, and display your perfumes on top of that. Just make yourself happy. Make yourself happy. That is the most important thing. That is what I'm preaching in this video. Make yourself happy. Go out there this weekend and do something for yourself and make yourself happy. I'm gonna make myself very happy this weekend. I'll tell you why. I'm going to Dollar Tree. I'm going to Dollar Tree because I want to get organization stuff for my laundry room. Yeah. I'm gonna make a video about that later. We'll do that in a couple videos from now, because I really want to focus on Memorial Day, because that's coming up really soon. It's coming up next. Is it next Monday? Yeah, next Monday. So I wanna get that done, and I wanna find some stuff at Dollar Tree. I wanna do the outside, but ew, yuck. You wanna hear what's going on here? Yuck, cicadas. Supposedly they've been sleeping for 200 years. Well, they decided to come while I live here. Okay, I'm laughing and I'm gonna share this with you all. So my best friend and I talk about every little thing in our lives, okay? And we make fun of each other, and we make fun of our life situation a lot. So I've been through an ice storm, which was, okay, yeah. If you've never been through an ice storm, it is horrific. It is scary. 14 days in the freezing cold. No water, no heat, no electricity, no food. Because yours truly was never prepared for any of that. It was to the point, I'm making a point. It was to the point where I was taking snow. The only thing, my only saving grace is that I had a wood burning fireplace. So I was taking snow and putting it in pots and boiling it, and that was our water. Yeah. Okay, so I lived through an ice storm. Then fast forward, I lived through the hurricane. Oh my God, that hurricane. Yeah, no. So I'm talking to my girlfriend, my best friend on the phone, and I said to her, 200-year-old cicadas are coming out of the ground. And she's like, you gotta be kidding me. She's like, you? When you decided to come to Earth, she's like, you took upon all the things. I said, I know, right? Like, anyways, I just think it's funny. Like, I've now lived through like plagues and droughts and all these things, and like it's funny, y'all. It's funny. We gotta laugh at life. It's funny. Anyways, I hope you found some humor in my cicada situation. But they are so gross. They are so ugly, and they make lots of noise. But it's fine. 200-year-old cicadas finally decided to come out of the ground while I live here. A hurricane hadn't hit Southwest Florida in 35 years, but it hit when I lived there. An ice storm would never hit that city of Toronto. Oh my God, it's just never ending. It's hilarious. Anyways, I hope you have, this is the end of my video, y'all. Please laugh at me. If you can't laugh at anybody, laugh at Bella. And I urge you to, because it's just funny. I think it's funny anyways. Anyways, have a wonderful weekend. Thank you for motivating me to come and do this for you all this week. Thank you for helping me make it to Friday. It was very, very appreciated. Your comments, your love, and your support will never go unappreciated on this channel. So I just want to thank you from the bottom of my heart. Thank you for following along on my crazy adventures. Whoa. Let's go. I got more adventures up my sleeve, y'all. Let's go. I'm looking forward to the next chapter, to moving soon. Anyways, I wish you all the best, and I will see you on either Monday or Tuesday or Wednesday. So look up for that video. Mwah! Have a wonderful weekend, and I'll see you very, very soon. Bye, YouTube. Bye, everybody.